Hello, I'm Rinsi teacher, Science Club convener, Najat al-Islam Nursery and UP School. We conducted Lunar Day online speech competition. Sadia Fatima 7th B got first position. Amna Fatima 6th B got second position. Congratulations to the winners. Here we presenting their speech. Now we can hear our Amna Fatima speech, who got second position.
Hello, good evening to all, respected teachers, elders, and my dear friends. Today I am here to say few words about Lunar Day. The moon is one of the smallest of the heavenly bodies which can be seen from the earth, but it is the nearest to us, and on the account with the exception of the sun appears the target. The moon travels round the earth in a period of about 1 month, just as the earth goes round the sun in a day. The earth, however, turns round upon its axis once every 24 hours, thus causing the alternation of day and night, whereas the moon takes a month to revolve on her axis, so that she always presents to us every nearly the same surface. The moon has no light of her own like the sun and the stars, but shines by means of the reflected light of the sun. As the side which we see is not always that upon which the sun shines, her film appears to change and to grow larger and smaller. In physical condition, the moon differs widely from the earth even to the naked eye. Some peculiarities of wise, if we attentively watch the full moon, we soon became familiar with its supported surface, which never changes. From this, the conclusion is drawn that it cannot be like that of the earth, which is often obscured by clouds mist. If we use telescope, we find that all the details of the moon's surface are hard and cold. There is no shade or delicate coloring, and nothing like mist or cloud has ever been seen. There seems to be nothing but hard rock and sand or ice and snow, and there are no traces of vegetation or animal life. The moon is a mass of mountains and extinct volcanoes. Several of the craters have a diameter of 40 or 50 miles. One of them has a diameter of as much as 78 miles. On the earth, the hills are rounded and molded by the action of storms, by rain and snow. But as these agencies are absent from the moon, its mountains stand as rugged as when they were first formed millions of years. Thank you and have a nice day.
Congratulations to all who participated in the Lunar Day speech competition conducted by Science Club. Thank you.